Afternoon, folks. It's your guy Rashad, Action Sports Bar and Grill out here in Kent, Washington. ActionSportsBar.com. Back again with another episode of our very first food truck build. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, sign up for the notifications. Then that way you know when we're dropping new stuff for the bar. Anyways, this is I think episode 4. This visit, we take our general manager, Jill, again, plus we bring her daughter, Skylar, who is like one of my favorite young people in the whole world. So excellent company for this train ride down to Portland to check on the status of the truck. On this trip down, we get to see the kitchen really start to take shape. More appliances show up on this day. We get to see the install of a couple of things. The plumbing's done, the electrical's done, so really an exciting trip to see it start to all come together. One of the nice things about having Builder that is so close for us, we are able to make these visits and stay really updated with what's going on, and we're able to put out fires before they get too crazy. Any small situations that arise, we're able to find out and adjust, and that's been invaluable for us. On this trip, we found out that the generator was still behind, so that was going to cost us at least 2 weeks, so we thought. Turned out being more, but it all goes back to kind of what I've been saying from the very beginning of this process and of this video series, which is you got to have patience. Delays are bound to happen, especially the way things are now, so you got to roll with the punches. So but a very cool visit, and since it was a visit to Portland, then you know I had to take the opportunity to eat like a fat kid the whole time. So some great lunch, had some great breakfast, stopped and got some voodoo donuts, and you know, like a fat kid I am, take as much opportunity to eat some good food as possible. So all in all, a great day trip. Leave at 7 in the morning, get back home at about 11:30 at night. But excellent company, helped the time pass great, and the excitement from seeing the progress in the food truck just really keeps the fire lit. So here it is, episode 4 of our very first food truck build. Hope y'all enjoy it. If you do, like I said, like it, make sure you check us out at actionsportsbar.com. Thanks again. We'll see y'all soon. I like it. What's happening, y'all? You guys are super twinning. I love it. On the way down to Portland, want to say what's up real quick. Got some good company with me this time, so that's great. They don't want to be on camera, but yet here they are, still in the background. Anyways, we'll have some video when we get down there. The truck is getting near completion, which is awesome. Hopefully we will see some plumbing, some electrical, some equipment in there. The hood should be in there. So we'll get some video footage, have it for the social media. Hell, we might even go live one of these times, who knows? But we'll be in Portland, so we're gonna eat like fat kids and walk around town and see what else is going on in the town. It's cold. It's supposed to be raining down there too, so we're bundled up. I got my, like I'm going to a Seahawks game here. Got the long johns on, the long socks, all that. Comfortable, because we're gonna be walking around downtown Portland. Should be easy train ride down, a couple hours, about 3 hours. Sky hasn't taken a trip down to Portland before, so it'll be a cool little first time experience. Let her sit window, check out the cool. It's a nice little trip running down there. The Sounder, we'll kind of like Sounder. So good job, good transportation, Amtrak, good work. You guys are doing work out here. Got myself some good seats. Packed a lunch. So, I told you, you're trying to make up time. They were behind, so now they're like pedal to the metal on this group, on this train ride. So, I'm not mad at them. So when we get down there today. Anyways, I'm gonna sit back and eat. Got myself set up to all the essentials. got to have it for the trip. Got a homemade bagel sandwich too. Come on, I'm about to crush it. About to get it done. So we'll see y'all when we get down there. About to do the walk around. Lots of progress made. Very happy with where it's at right now. I brought the ladies with me to keep me company on the trip and on the train ride. Hang out for an hour or so, talk to the builder, work out some last little minute kinks and scheduling things, and then hopefully we'll be on our way to some good Portland lunch here in no time. But first things first, business first. These guys are busy as hell. They got another truck there and they're working on. So small little hiccup with our generator is going to push us back a week. Fortunately, we built in a 2-week grace period, so before we were thinking of launching our grand opening. So hope for the best, plan for the worst. It's kind of what we did this time. Just decided that it would be a lot easier to give a cushion than try to stick to a strict deadline, and it looks like it's going to pay off for us because, like I said, the generator having an issue with owning the manufacturer. They only make so many of them, and they only make them so fast. So they alerted us back in January that there might be a problem with the generators. It might be a bit of a slowdown with them, and so not shocked, but also not really thrilled about it either. But what are you going to do? Keep grinding and do the best you can. So that's exactly what our plan is. But it looks beautiful. So. That's why you see these cute little legs over here. Nice guy. This guy's our everything helper in the summer. This guy's mom. Everybody knows where's the GM. What's up, boss? Nothing? What's up? That's what I'm talking about. You? What do you think? Thumbs up. Cool. Like the jump seat?
Yeah.
Nice. This guy's trying out the passenger seat. Working out pretty good.
Yeah.
Got a seatbelt and everything?
Yep, right here.
Sweet. Safety first. Nice. You can see they're busting into, there's going to be a coffee truck up here in front of us. So these guys are busy as hell. Yeah. Weather's halfway holding up for us. Happy about that. So we're gonna get a little walk around, see what's new in the truck, we had good timing today because we actually got to see them install even more of the stuff. So it's starting to look like a kitchen in there, man. I'm excited. Let's go take a look. Donuts up, eat my pancakes. We're chilling in the lounge down here in Portland, waiting on the train. Nice and chilled and relaxed. Nice little setup in here. You're waiting for your train, you just kick back.
Oh, we didn't get the luncheon. Mommy wants something about that.
I'm back on the train. Headed back up to Seattle. Good visit. I'm very happy with all the progress so far on the truck. So. A very worthwhile trip. Sitting business class this time. Didn't get bumped like we did this morning, but those who settled in comfortable. I'm sitting back comfortable. I'll get some good video of sunset along the way. Facing the right direction, not going backwards or nothing crazy like that. So, all right, we'll see y'all on the ride.